see me rolling, they hating, patrolling.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel or don't know who I am, my name is Alam Patel, also known as Patellasur, and I have a disease called Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which weakens my muscles, so I can't physically use a keyboard. And like, when most people edit videos, they use keyboard shortcuts to make it easier, like turn on different tools and other things like that. But since I can't physically do that, I used to use only my mouse, which would really take a long time to edit videos. Now I'm going to show you guys how I currently do it. Before I actually explain how it works, I will give you guys an example of it. Now, here I am in a Premiere project. This is for my next reaction to Clone Wars. Now, before anyone says anything in the comments, I'm basically a self-taught editor. I only know like the basics. So if anyone's watching this as a professional and has like a cringe moment if I did something wrong, now you know why. I only know the very basically like how to cut and things like that. So obviously if you know what Premiere is, you hear the main tools. Right here is the selection tool. This one is the razor cut. Those are really the two basic ones I use here. And then there's something called the ripple delete tool. I make a cut and then the video goes back without me having to manually do it. Can you believe for the first like 10 videos I made, I didn't know that was a thing. So I used to manually go drag the sequence back. I don't know why I didn't think of another option until I looked it up. So I'm going to show you an example of me switching tools. So look closely at this bar right here. What I normally do is I edit in between the breaths I take, otherwise the video ends up really long. So I do a lot of cuts. So okay, so I'm going to select the razor tool. Razor. So see, I start taking a breath there, so I'm gonna so I click this, makes a cut. Now let me just so this is the end of the breath, so I'm gonna make another cut. So now it's gonna be select. I click. And then I say rip. And look at that. It went back and cut it out. So that's the basic way how I edit all my videos. Now I'm gonna get actually into like the technical way it works. I used to use a software called GlovePie, but then I discovered another software that I think works better. The software I use is called Voice Macro. It basically allows you to select any keyboard command or anything basically. So I could set up a whole action sequence and make it do that once I say something. For example, I'm gonna bring down my profile for Premiere. So right here, as you can see, when I say razor, it presses the keyboard command and like that. So I can set that to basically anything I want, which is very helpful for someone in a situation like mine. So here's a default profile they have on here, which I don't even understand half of it, to be honest, but it shows that anything can be set to this basically. You can even have like, say like a specific key press and have it do more than one thing. Now, I'll definitely include the link to how you can download that in the description. I feel like a lot of people could benefit from this if they're not aware of it. I also edit on my MacBook, so I go back and forth every once in a while because sometimes I want to edit when I'm on my bed and I can't drag the whole desktop there. So in the MacBook, it's actually a lot easier because in one of the new updates, there's an option called voice control where you can actually set keyboard commands. And I have it set to the same exact words I use on this computer. And it seems to work out quite well. So I'm sure a lot of people could benefit from this. So I thought I'd make a video about it. If anybody would like more detailed explanation, just let me know. And I'd be more than happy to share it. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll surely put out more videos of things that help me adapt and do things that I thought I wouldn't be able to do. I really enjoyed like talking about things like this, so like I said, I'd be more than happy to make more videos about this stuff. Like always, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.